Here's one of those things that Power Query was born to do. We've got this report that's made for a human to look at. We can see that in January, pants for City Center generated $27,000. But there's so much more information we can get from here. We could compare the stores by their revenue, by month, or just overall. We could compare the different categories. We could extract the top 10 sales. Anything, but we need to do what's called flatten this file. Right now, it looks like a pivot table, so we are going to unpivot it. Put the cursor in the data set from table/range. Now we have to think about what are the values that we need to have in their own column. And that is the January, February, March. We want a months column. So with item already highlighted, I'm going to hold down the shift key and go to store. So now I've got all three of those first columns. Now I'm going to go to transform, go to this arrow by unpivot. We're going to unpivot other columns. Wow. Let's convert attribute to month, value to sales. That's it. Let's sort this and keep the top 10 sales. The sales column is already highlighted. Home, sort largest to smallest. Going to go to keep rows, keep top rows. Number of rows, 10. Okay. Now we can close and load this to the workbook. There's the data. The top 10 sales easily extracted because we were able to unpivot that data set.